Hi, I just got a surprise package from live.love.posh, so let's open it together. I do know there's some of the new sticker books in here, and I'm really excited to get them. I'm going to flip through everything that I can in this video. So let's check it out. And there is. Okay, so first off, we have Chic Summer and Beach Babe. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited for these. I love summer stickers, love summer sticker books, and live.love.posh has some of the best ones out there, so really thrilled. By the way, thank you so much to Jessica at live.love.posh for sending me all this stuff. It's very appreciated. If you guys use code BUMBLE10, you can get 10% off your order at live.love.posh, and I will put the links in the description box for you. We've got some stickers in here. I actually had asked for this one. I love the Fruits and Florals sticker book, so I have another one. Very excited for this because I use this sticker book all the time. This is a good one. I've already done a flip through of this. I'll do a little quick flip through for you here, but you can go back and check out my regular flip through. What else is in here? A couple of bags. Okay. We'll see what that is. I think they're covers. And then I had actually asked for this as well. This is the weekly overview pages. I was going to use this for part of my wellness planner and still might. So let's see everything. Let me pull this aside. First, let's check out what's in these bags. I do think they're covers. Look at this nice bag. Oh, I love that. I love that bag. That is awesome. Okay. Ooh, this is nice. I have the quilted cover in black, but this is such a nice, like blush color. These feel so good. I think I'm going to use this on my wellness planner. Right now I have a black cover on it, but I think I'll switch it. Maybe because I really like this. And it feels very soothing. Or maybe I'll put it on my journal. It's for a classic happy planner and it has this nice snap closure. Let's see what the other one is. Ooh. So this is one of the white crock covers. Really like this as well. Has a snap closure. And this is for the big happy planner because Jessica knows I use a big. So these are two really awesome covers. I love having special covers for my planners. It just feels, well, special. You know what I mean? Okay, let's see. I've already shown you the weekly overview pages. You can go back and check the flip through that I have. The latest flip through, I think, has like a bunch of the Posh paper in different styles. So you can go look at that for like a more in-depth flip through, but let me just show it to you. So this is what it looks like. You have like the different sections on the left, and then you have the days on the right that have these check boxes on the side. I think this is really useful for so many different types of situations. So I'm excited to get that. Next, let's look at these die cut stickers. Oh, these are so cute. So these are vinyl stickers. So they're stronger than regular stickers. They're good for pretty much anything. Your water bottles, your laptops, all that kind of stuff. Look at this washi tape. Some books and flowers. Look at that. Those are really cute. You can really put them on anything. Yes, they're just more heavy-duty stickers. All right, so let's take a look at these sticker books. Fruits and Florals, like I said, is really one of my favorite sticker books. I use this one all the time. You've probably seen me use it a bunch. I just love having extra pages for all those extra fruit spreads I'm going to make for me and my patrons. Just a really cute sticker book. And then we have the two summer sticker books, Chic Summer and Beach Babe. Let's look at Beach Babe first, I guess. Chic Summer is thicker, I think. I don't know. It seems a little bit heavier. I might be wrong about that. So, Beach Babe. I love the beach, so I'm excited about this. I also just love making beach planner spreads, right? You can't go wrong with a fun beach planner spread in the summertime, even if you can't visit the beach for whatever reason. So this first page is paper. Oh, okay, the second page is the same, but on clear, so I wonder if that's what this book is going to be like. Probably. So we have a little pool scene over here, some popsicles, Ocean Drive, little beach tower here, some suitcases, drinks, Polaroids, really fun and detailed illustrations here. Okay, this is going to go with that theme. We have, oh cute, these little Polaroids, Palm Springs, South Beach, Sunset Springs, Miami Beach. Look at this. This is cute. The sticker goes right to the edge, and it's like a rainbow with a little sun. I love that. Some cameras and Polaroids up there. And then this is on paper. So you're going to get two of the same page on paper for that one. Next up, we have these beach babes, for lack of a better term. And, oh, a puppy. I spotted a puppy. There he is again. Right there near the suitcase, and there he is again. Yeah. Lots of swimsuits, little fashion stuff. Oh my gosh, bad flip through. Sorry. Sometimes my language is just like, wah wah. Second page is on clear for this one. So cute. And then these florals are going to match that one. These pages are both on clear. These next floral pages. With some cacti. Palm trees. Love it. Ooh, look at this. This is fun. This is definitely less realistic and more fun and whimsical. Totally my vibe, as you know. Look at that little crab. That's so cute. The color palette is really pretty. Beach, tiki bar, surf. I love these little beach huts here. So cute. And the little flip-flops. I love this one. This is fun. Maybe I'll use this one for my July monthly page. I don't know. So same page on clear here. Ooh, I definitely will, because these are bigger stickers. Unless I see a page I like better going forward on this, but I've been holding off on making my July monthly because I wanted to do like a really fun summer theme. These flowers are so cute, and the little suitcases, that banner, that's paper, this is clear. And then we have the boxes that are going to match. They match this theme. They do. Yeah, they match that theme. That's perfect. And headers and stuff, little to-do lists. Ooh, this is cute too. Look at the fish. They're so cute. And that one, that's a fancy fish. A little turtle. A little desk with a desktop that says summer. A planner, of course. A school of fish there. So pretty. And that's paper. This is clear. So your colors are a little bit different on the clear, you see. And then these flowers are going to match that theme. Those are so pretty. I love that. I love like that peachy color. And then you get another one on clear. Ooh, we have some Crocs. Remember when I made that Croc spread? I could have used this, but I didn't have it yet. Smile zone ahead. Seize the day. We have a little fan, a little ticket to the dolphin tour. A little froyo. This is really cute. Some books. That's that sticker, remember? That cute little bracelet. And then this car is ready to go to the beach. It's all packed up. We have that floaty, the butterfly floaty. This candle says, girl, you need to calm the F down. We have a Chanel purse. Babe, please just chill out for like 2 seconds. I need to read this, you know, telling me to chill out. What does this one say? Reminder. Oh my gosh, I gotta hold it up. I'm old. Everybody is beautiful. Wear the damn bathing suit. This is snarky, Jessica. I like it. And then we have another page on clear. Some clear florals here for you. Really pretty. Another page of clear florals. So it seems to be different You know, sometimes it's 2 pages of clear or 2 pages of paper, or both. This is on clear. We have some washi tape, like a little van, little succulent there in a cute little pot, a planner, just all sorts of random things. This is kind of boho-ish. And then this is like the same but different stickers. We have a little pineapple candle. I have that candle in white. Yeah, a little sloth planter. That's really unique. Really cute. Another page that matches these. Look at those vases. They're so pretty. And then these are on clear. We have quotes. Beach please, sunshine on my mind, beach babe, vacation mode, summer of 23, hello summer, sun-kissed, bring on the sunshine, all sorts of really cute quotes like that. And then these pretty boxes that are going to match some of the themes in this book. They're very pastel and pretty, very beachy colors, right? Whoa, I can't get this. So you get a bunch of pages of those. That's an adorable sticker book. Good job, Jessica. I like that one. All right. Next up, Chic Summer. I haven't looked at any flip throughs, by the way. I wanted to be surprised. So we have a summer bucket list here. Pool day, spa day, hiking, popsicles, camping, journal, BBQ, a little habit tracker, some washi tape here. I love these. These are really fun. And they're like, some of them go all to the edge of the page and some are just long. Those are really cute. I love this 𝘠𝘦𝘤𝘕. So you can use these as a summer bucket list, or you can cut off, you know, the word and just use it for the pictures. Cute. Wait, is that the same? Yeah, it's like the same exact page. Oh my gosh, I love these. These are all on paper so far, by the way. I just love the washi tapes. In those colors, they're really pretty. It's like tutti frutti colors, right? And this one's on clear, so you get a page of paper and clear of those. Okay, so this one is a little more boho. We have the guitar and like this van. We have like this little cute outfit, some popsicles there, a little fanny pack. Yeah, like some Polaroids. That's really cute. And then the same page on clear. Then these florals are on clear and they kind of match this vibe, right? Another page of clear florals. You've got some cactuses in there too, cacti. Lemons, which I always love in my planner for some reason. I'm a citrus girl in my planner. I don't know why, but I like them. And these flowers are really pretty. So those are both on clear. And then a bunch of yellow stuff, a whole lot of yellow stuff here. You know, I like yellow. Very detailed drawings. We have leggings, little outfit, like a workout outfit. We have just some little yellow lotions and stuff and makeup. This cute little daisy hat. And then you get that page on clear as well. And then this is paper. This is a very detailed sticker book. Lots of fun little details here that I'm noticing. So we have a cooler full of beers, and this says the best. This says sun shield SPF 30, and just like really fun little floaties and stuff, visors, hats. This is on clear. Ooh, this is pretty. Does that match that? Yeah, those flowers are going to match the little detail drawings. Those are really pretty flowers. I love tropical flowers in my planner. So you get one page of paper and a page of clear stickers for that. And then we've got some of those really fun, bright, beachy colors in the boxes, to-do lists. And now here is another page with pink. Lots of pink here. Cabana tan. We have like this beach umbrella, little beach scenes, some Polaroids, a dog. Yay. Oh my gosh, he's cute, a little corgi. And a plant, you know, iPhone, and on, just so fun. This is another page on clear. Ooh, these boxes are really pretty. They're going to go with this theme. And we have these girls in their cover-ups. There's that dog again. That's a cute little beach bag. I love it. Some suitcases. And this is another page on paper. So we have 2 paper pages for that. And then 4th of July. I already made my 4th of July spread, but maybe I can use this for my my journal 4th of July spread. I don't know. So we have Chet Puffed Star Mellows. We have like bomb pops. 4th of July, we have like banners with stars. Let Freedom Ring. This is really cute. Very festive. You get 2 pages of paper stickers of that one. And then this is also paper. Look at those Crocs for 4th of July. Those are cute. I love this really festive drink. The cake. I'm getting hungry now and thirsty. This says bucket list. Twirl sprinklers, go swimming, roast marshmallows, make s'mores, watch fireworks, etc. This is also on paper. Ooh, very pastel and pretty vibe here. Very feminine. Cute sunglasses. I love this little scene. How is this? Yeah, so this is like cut around it like that. I just ripped it, but you know what I mean? And these flowers are really pretty. I want to be here. I want to be there and there. I just do. I know it won't look like that when I'm there though, so that might be disappointing. Here it is on clear. I prefer the paper stickers, but I also like the clear for like certain situations. Like I feel like the colors are prettier when it's paper, but sometimes clear stickers are needed, you know? It just really depends. And I don't know. I like them both, but if I had to choose one over the other, I would choose paper stickers. What would you guys pick? Look at this. That is so cute. I love those little camp chairs. Oh my gosh. Escape, the books. I just wish like I could just change the colors in my world, and then like sometimes I would go for just pastel colors, you know, like I could just wish I could change like the way I see the world and make it all pastel like a sticker. And then I could switch it back if I want, you know, I could switch it up. I've never thought of that before, but that would be so cool. And then if I'm feeling really down, I would like pick bright colors, or you know what I mean? If I was really moody, maybe I'd pick some darker colors. I don't know. That would be so fun to be able to just, maybe in the future, who knows? I won't see it, but maybe some of you would. Okay, so we have some pastel boxes for that and headers and stuff. Yeah. What a cute, oh wait, there's more. Clear quotes. Every summer has its story. Tropical vibes only. June, August, July. Live in the sunshine. Vacation. Hello summer. Endless summer. You get 2 pages of those clear quotes. So that is adorable. I love the 2 summer sticker books a lot, and I cannot wait to get started using them. Let me know what your favorite thing I showed you in this video was, and don't forget to use Bumble 10 for 10% off at Live Love Posh, and I will put the link in the description. Thank you so much for using my affiliate link. And that's it. I hope you guys have a wonderful day, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.